If Telegram is showing an internal error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is a very common issue on Telegram web, and in many cases it has nothing to do with your account. It can be caused by a weak internet connection, a browser problem, cached files, or even a temporary Telegram service issue. So before you start worrying, follow these simple steps and you'll have the best chance of getting Telegram working again quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Telegram web shows an internal error. Try opening another website to see if your internet is working properly. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and then reload Telegram. Sometimes the issue is not Telegram at all, but just a connection drop that prevents the page from loading correctly. If the connection looks fine, move on to the next step and refresh Telegram web. You can do this by pressing the refresh button in your browser, or by closing the Telegram tab completely and opening it again. A simple reload often clears temporary loading issues and gets the page working normally again. If Telegram still shows the same error, the next thing to try is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with Telegram web. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cache and cookies for Telegram or for the browser in general. After that, sign back into Telegram web and check if the error is gone. This step is especially useful if Telegram was working before and suddenly started failing without warning. Next, try opening Telegram web in a different supported browser. If you are using Chrome, try Edge, Firefox, or another compatible browser. Sometimes the problem is tied to one browser only, and switching browsers can immediately fix the internal error. If Telegram loads normally in a different browser, then you know the issue is related to your original browser settings, extensions, or stored data. Another very important step is checking whether Telegram itself is having a temporary service issue. Sometimes the internal error is caused by Telegram's servers, and there is nothing wrong on your side at all. If the service is down or experiencing delays, the best thing to do is wait a few minutes and try again later. You can also check Telegram's official channels or search online to see if other users are reporting the same problem. To summarize, the main fixes are checking your internet connection, refreshing Telegram web, clearing cache and cookies, trying another browser, and waiting if Telegram has a temporary outage. In most cases, one of these steps solves the problem quickly. If this video helped you fix the internal error on Telegram, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.